Your trunk is not a bowling alley, and safety gear should not roll around in it. Use the correct bracket or holder. It should prevent sliding, rolling, and vertical movement. Keep it accessible. Under 3 suitcases and a beach chair is not accessible. Check the readiness indicator, pin, and tamper seal exactly as the product instructions describe. Look for dents, rust, damage, a blocked nozzle, or an unreadable label. Cars get hot and cold. Use the storage temperature range printed on your product, never a number from a random video. Make it a quick monthly habit, and follow the service or replacement schedule in the instructions. Don't just own it, secure it, check it.
This is available at OUGIST.com.